At 5, a Kansas City Chiefs Superfan was in court today on charges of robbing a clerk at a Bixby Bank at gunpoint. Thanks for joining us. I'm Craig Day.
And I'm Lori Fulbright. Attorneys for Xavier Babadar asked the judge to lower his bond from $200,000 to $50,000. The judge decided in the middle at $80,000.
News on 6's Reagan Ledbetter is live with more from the courtroom. Reagan?
Craig and Lori, while this gives Babadar a much better chance of getting out of jail, if he gets out, he'll have to wear a GPS ankle monitor at all times. He can't talk to anyone involved in the case, and he can't leave the state, which means no Super Bowl.
He's kind of taking over the Rocky Mountains like we always do. Hey, the turkey's coming, Pete.
Now, this is Babadar, who's also known as Chiefsaholic on Instagram. He's a well-known Chiefs superfan who's charged with robbing a Bixby Bank while driving from Kansas City to Houston for a Chiefs game back in December. Prosecutors didn't want Babadar's bond lowered because they say he pointed a pistol in the face of the bank employee and demanded $150,000 or he'd put a bullet in the employee's head. The employee didn't know it was a CO2 pistol. Prosecutors say Babadar has no ties to Tulsa, so is a flight risk. Babadar's attorneys argued Babadar's family has plans to move to Tulsa, so Babadar wouldn't leave the area. They also argued Babadar has no criminal history.
I've worked with court services here quite regularly. I know that they're very good at notifying the state when a violation occurs. I do have confidence that bond is not about punishment. It's about ensuring someone's appearance in court, and so that's what it's for.
The prosecutors did say today that Babadar is set to win big on a bet he placed if the Chiefs win the Super Bowl. I looked over at Babadar at that time, and he was nodding his head yes. Live in Tulsa, Reagan Ledbetter, Oklahoma's own News on 6.